We're going on a little adventure. And she has no idea where we're going.
No, it's a surprise.
Surprise. Okay, we're going first to a botanical garden.
Whoa!
Yeah! Belgium! Might be fun to see the biggest botanical garden of the Benelux, which is Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg. And it's near Brussels. And since we were near Brussels, I thought, hey, we've never been to the Atomium, which is, I think, a sort of a museum and also a big panoramic views and stuff.
Oh, that's awesome.
So, yeah, we're gonna go there too. And oh, it starts raining. Awesome.
No.
We're just gonna ignore the weather and try to have a good day. Sandwich. Oh, that's a nice entrance too. This is Hank.
Hank.
Hank is always thinking about life, contemplating things and doesn't really know what to do. It's good to know that Hank is always here thinking for us. Look! It's Camelot.
Camelot. Camelot. Camelot. It's only a model. Shh.
Would Sir Lancelot, Sir Dancelot be at home?
Sir Pants-a-lot.
Sir Hangs-a-lot.
Sir Janks-a-lot.
Sir Bangs-a-lot. They're doing some renovation to the greenhouse. It's a big one though. Cali. Oh yeah. Yep. And there goes the lens. Yeah, it's sort of soft. Cola. If you squeeze this, you get Coca-Cola. It's a little cooler here. Yeah, sweating. You want to drink some cactus juice?
Drink cactus juice. It'll quench you. Nothing's quenchier. It's the quenchiest.
Very, very green, huh? Wow. That was the botanical greenhouse. Big greenhouse over here. I guess that is it for the botanical garden.
I think so.
There's not really that much to see because it's still very early in the season. Oh wait, some blossom here. Look. Yay, a little bit of blossom. It's very relaxing and soothing here. You can just hear nature, like the sound of tranquility and nature. There it is. Oh, that is pretty cool.
That's awesome.
I've never seen this thing in real life. I've only seen it on pictures. Yeah, I'm curious how high up in the building you can go.
Yeah.
If it's possible to go all the way up.
I think so.
I hope so. Ta-da! Pretty impressive. What did you say?
Huge.
That's the same thing you said this morning in bed. Damn. Wow.
Scary.
Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So, there's Brussels, I guess. All of this is Brussels. Pretty big city. There goes your €10 apple pie and a €10 waffle. This is a really tight escalator. You can't really stand next to each other here.
Oh, almost. Because you stand next to me.
That was the Atomium, the coolest escalator ever. Is it just me, or did I just think that the escalator was the coolest part of the whole thing? Yeah. Goodbye, Atomium. Now let's go find Manneken Pis.
Yes.
The peeing man, the peeing little man. Brussels is famous for this little dude. So let's try and find him. Hello, Brussels.
Hello.
Oh yeah, I remember this building.
Me too.
Yeah.
Last time when we went here, it was on our first vacation.
Together. 6 years ago?
6 years ago.
Yeah. I guess they made the whole city car free. No cars. Everybody's just walking on the streets. Just crossing the street here in Brussels. Well, there it is.
Yeah, check.
It's really small. I didn't think it would be that small. It's like 2 feet or something, that's it. Yeah. So, check.
Check.
It's the Grand Place.
I remember this. You were filming me when I was looking at the map.
Yeah, that's true. And you had long hair. I wonder if I still have those images. If I have them, I'll edit them in right now. I think you were on exactly this spot somewhere in front of this building looking at the map. Back to the car?
Back to the car.
So, back to the car. Goodbye, Brussels. Goodbye, Grand Place. Goodbye, annoying squeaky thing.
Yeah.
Back at our Lexi-mobile.
Yay!
Look, and the cool Subaru is still next to us. Subaru BRZ. I think it's a cool car. But this is the cooler car.
Yeah, it's better.
It's always so hard to get out of Brussels, but we made it. We're out of Brussels. So that was a quick visit to Brussels. So I hope you guys like what we did today. And hey, if you have any ideas for us, what to do next, where to go next, give me a suggestion. Not too far away, please. I can't really go to Nigeria or anything, but if you have some nice suggestions. Oh, and here's the first traffic jam. Look. Here we go, the traffic jam, yeah. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.